Don't worry about it.
Even though Jeff's talking shit today, I'm going to tell you what I think about that. You weren't in the last grade 8, were you? No. Okay.
Or in the one before that.
I was right there.
That's badass. Well, what that means is
he's not. No, he isn't.
Hey, so y'all got some help in the grade 8 now.
I'm saying.
Instead of Nola having 4 and us having 2.
Yeah,
Y'all got 3.
Tied for 7th right now.
Thank you. Hell yeah.
I like it.
Oh, that's
Good job,
you?
guys.
Well, you're on the wrong way now.
All right, well, I'm struggling. That's all right.
Hey, make it up today.
We got to figure it out.
Make it up this week, yeah.
Man, okay.
I know.
It's really great when your friends want to see you fail. He's a good dude, though. been winning when Hobby gets hurt. Hobby keep getting. Thanks, buddy. Big deal.
Just got right on your face.
You know what? It'll be fine.
I got a gray one.
Yeah, I'll take that great.
So yes, sir.
We always do it at Monday night.
Yeah, that's cool. I'm glad you watched.
Can you get that back?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Go take a picture with you. Come on.
Yeah, I'll come out here to y'all with a little more room.
Okay. If you want to.
Oh, no matter what.
Thank you.
Oh, will you sign that for me?
Sure. Sorry.
Would you feel all right if you would? Would you feel all right if we moved you over a tire length?
Hey, how long you gonna give them?
It's up Brian's call.
It's up to you. How long you want to give them?
You need to ask him, can they fix it?
I don't know what they got the front end off. The throttle's hung.
It sounds like the throttle's hung in the hood scoop. They're trying to get the scoop off, but they can't even get it to pull up.
You're slick, ain't you?
Hey, y'all gotta tell me if y'all want to come on clock. I'm gonna wait till you say something.
Hey, my guy, just push him back. Watch Dave. Don't let us get. Hey, nobody let us go.
What's he saying?
He just spit. They're gonna throw him. Watch Dave, Ryan. No,
Still working on Kyle's car right now. Ryan Martin, giving Kyle and Kelly time to get it fixed.
No. Stay right there. Okay, follow Dave. Stay right there. Okay, follow Dave. Follow Dave.
Hey, let's go everybody.
All right. Sean, pull right there. Stop right there.
You're good.
If you're not with just treat out those off on the wall.
We're gonna check the wheelie bars again. When you put the starter fire back up, then we're gonna go visor down and forward. All right. Do the same thing the other side of the market.
Hey guys, let me go too. Come on, let's go. Nobody.
Hey, Bobby. You know, at any point if y'all want to pull I
know, man, I don't want to win it like that.
I know.
What's up, baby?
What up, homie?
You good, man?
I'm good.
Okay. Calm, cool, and collected.
I'm chilling.
That's right. Hey, all the kindness in the world, and then fuck him up when that light drops.
That's my plan.
I know.
Hey, I heard he was doing another burnout. Find that out, because we don't need to fire up until he does his burnout. Hey, check that door. I don't know if it's closed or not.
day today. Be the baddest motherfucker.
Huh? It all depends on the temperature.
Oh, it's hey, Tulsa in August, Sam. I'm gonna let you know it's gonna be at least this.
That's what everybody says, but we'll see.
Vacations.
I can do a rain dance, 74 degrees.
Oh, look at that.
74 degrees.
It don't
doesn't
even
go
get
away
down
then.
to 74 degrees in August in Oklahoma.
True. Why are we going to Oklahoma then?
I don't know. You scheduled the damn thing.
Who made the schedule?
I don't know. You guys
people
love Keith
scheduled
Haney,
it.
don't you?
What are you doing?
Yes, sir.
We're reversing.
Yes, hey, Ryan. We love you, Ryan.
Thank you. I think it's like 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Sure.
This is my man Ryan signing autographs for fans.
Sure.
Man, this is really what it's all about. These fans right here. You guys really make this all possible for what we get to do.
Thank you.
All right.
Want to take a
Good
picture
night,
with the
everybody.
man?